Crypto.com, CROcoin holders, I have a video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about CROcoin and Crypto.com. Where are we headed here? Are we in the position to be making a bounce, or are we getting ready for some continuation to the downside? We're going to talk about that, so hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. We are starting with Crypto Twitter. You can follow me at 333blackc. I say day 58, bull posting CROcoin to $1. Every day that goes by, it looks more and more like a reality that Crypto.com will be the #1 exchange outside of Asia. Now, I want to talk about that for a second. Right now, the biggest market leaders are Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Binance, all right? Binance is no longer in the U.S. They had Binance.us. They're not here anymore. Coinbase, well, they're underneath a lot of scrutiny, and as of the stats recently, it shows that Crypto.com has taken the majority of the market share in North America, guys. I do see a world here where Crypto.com being the #1 most regulatory and legislative compliant, they have the most licenses, and they're most regulatory friendly out of any other exchange in the entire planet. I do see a world where they do come out ahead, and I am seeing that play out in real time right now. I say, CROcoin holders, do you understand what that means for Cronos Labs and the price of CRO? Repost this, CRO fam, if you think $1 CRO in 2025 is only the beginning. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section below, and go follow me at 333blackc on Twitter and repost this, and let me know on the comments for this tweet. I'm very curious on what you guys have to say about this. So I do want to say that we are in a very, very intriguing point in the market right now. There's a lot of ambiguity. There's a lot of confusion, indecisiveness. But regardless, I do want to say, guys, that I do think that this is probably a buy the dip opportunity. Or if you want to wait to buy that dip and you want to save up to 10% off on all trading fees and you want to get some extra crypto, get the best value for your dip buying purchase, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. This is a limited time offer, so please check this out right now and sign up. Take advantage of it. So let's pick apart Cronos right now. Cronos sitting at rank 36, down about 11.22% in the past 7 days, down about 0.1% in the past 24 hours, not much. When you're looking at it, we're sitting at a $3.76 billion market cap, significantly lower than I would like to be seeing us at right now. You know, we're at about $5 billion for this cycle high so far. But I really want to reiterate how important it is that we have retail FOMO and altcoin season in full bore before we see CROcoin make a big move. And I've been talking about this ever since we started to talk about CROcoin on the Crypto Report. And I do think you guys need to be very patient if you are a CROcoin bull. If you have all your eggs in one basket, which I would never recommend. And also, guys, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. But if you do have all your eggs in one basket, you probably shouldn't be doing that. And I will say that CROcoin will make a move, but it might be at the very, very tail end of this bull market. And it's going to be really, really risky business trying to time that top. It's very difficult to take profit along the way when it happens in a snap of a finger. So you need to be very, very careful about that, guys. When you look at CROcoin right now, we are beneath a very, very crucial level of 20 cents. This blue line right here, which we've been fighting out for a significant amount of time. You know, when we first were testing this, I said, after the first time, second time, third time, and the fourth time, I said we're probably getting a breakdown here, guys, because usually when you're testing resistance and support, usually 4 times is one too many times to test it, and that's when you either get the breakout or the breakdown. And well, we got the breakdown. This does look pretty painful when you look at this on the daily time frame. But guys, I do want to emphasize CROcoin moves very swiftly when it does move. I mean, look at this move when we tested about 6.5 cents. In the span of how many days here? Let's check. In the span of, I want to get this really accurate here to figure out how many days it took us to see this move to the upside. When we tested 6 cents, it took us 6 days, okay? 6 days to move up from 6 cents to 20 cents. All right, guys? If you want to measure that move, we are talking about a 222% move in a 6-day period, guys. This is iconic of Crow Coin. This is how its price action is. Like when you look back at the previous price action, well, we don't have enough data to look at in this chart. What are we looking at here on Cronos on what? On Coinbase? Yeah, we don't have enough data on here. But if you look at the overall chart for crypto.com, it happens in very, very swift movements. There's lots of sideways chop, and then a snap of a finger, 220% gain in a week, okay? That's very, very common for this coin. And I don't expect that to happen until retail FOMO really, really comes in. And yes, guys, there are invalidations. I know you don't want to hear Black Sea be a bear here, but that's why it's very important not to have all your eggs in one basket, especially when you're trading very volatile and risky assets like cryptocurrency, guys. So please keep in mind, it's very, very important to be diversified here. When you look at the entire market right now, Bitcoin's trading at $94,444. Getting a little bit of relief here after we saw that sell-off across the board. Bitcoin dominance absolutely pegged still to 58.4, 58.5% when you exclude stable coins. We've been pegged here, guys. I do think that we're getting ready to be in this type of market where there's a lot of boring sideways chop. And I think that a lot of people aren't ready for it. And it could happen for a few months even. But I do think that we're going to see some moves happen into February. So probably in the next 3 weeks or so, we're going to see some sort of confirmation, whether we're going to break to the upside or break further to the downside. When you look at Bitcoin right now, like I said, talking about ambiguity and indecision, we went from a bull trap into a bear trap, and now we are trading above this yellow line, or this support, we can call it at this point. This trend, this is a trend that we do not want to be breaking below. And we are trading on it, but guys, I'm not going to call this a bear trap until we get real confirmation behind that. And as of right now, I do think that there's a higher likelihood chance we break down here. I know you guys don't want to hear that, but if we do, it's going to be setting us up for a much longer bull market and probably be more bullish overall for the altcoins and for Crow Coin. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. And guys, please also go follow me, 333 Black Sea on Instagram and Twitter. If I can get 1,000 followers on Twitter in the next 24 hours, if I can get to, I think I'm at like 6,800. If I can get to, let's say, 7,200, give me 400 followers in the next 24 hours, I will give one of you guys $1,000. I want to be giving back to you guys. So that's all I got for you. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.